Hello, everyone. Miss
Hi.
Sutherland. Miss Sutherland here.
And Miss Yao.
All right. Here's homework for the week of April 16th, due Friday, April 20th. We're going to do all the odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7.
Yes, odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7.
All right. We are still going to be working on measurement.
Yay, measurement.
I forget how to get the little pen.
Oh,
Whiteboard.
Yeah.
Color. Okay. All right. Convert 350 liters to milliliters. Of course, we need to draw King Henry.
King Henry died.
King
Sorry.
Henry
Died.
died
By.
by.
Drinking.
Wait a minute. Drinking.
Chocolate.
Milk.
Milk.
Notice I put all the decimal points behind the letters, and then when we go to our base,
Oh, that's such a good idea. Miss Yao's class, please do this.
meter, liter, gram, bam. Decimal points go behind, just like a period goes to the end of a sentence. All right, so we're starting with liters. Liters is what letter represented? Oh, yeah, it's under the base because it's the letter L. And we're going to milli, which is that tricky M all the way at the end. So we're going to figure out how many jumps. We're going to start from the base, the decimal in the back.
1.
1 jump, 2
Two.
jump, 3. 3 jumps, and we are going to the right. So we are adding our jumps. So let's write 350. Now there's no decimal point here. I'm using lots of colors for this one. We're going to put the decimal point at the end of the number and do 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. Here's where the new decimal point goes. This one becomes eliminated. What do I fill my jumps in with? Zeros. I'm going to rewrite this number with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Go back and add my comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. 350,000 milliliters is the answer for number 1.
My class, don't leave any naked numbers, because I know you do.
I know, mine too. No naked numbers.
All right, let's look at these comparing fractions. We're going to compare it from the least to the greatest. So don't forget, least means smallest, and greatest obviously means biggest. Okay. All of these denominators they're not the same. So we have to find, this pen, why? Okay.
Sorry. It's always my fault.
No, it's not her fault, actually, this time. It's just the width is ridiculous. Okay, there we go. We are going to find a common denominator. All right, let's write our multiples of 3, 2, 4. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. I'm going to stop there. 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, etc., etc. These are commas, guys. I know they look like decimals. All right, 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That's how we roll our 4s. All right, I'm going to stop there. The most common one is 12. Yeah, 12. 12. 12. Stop, Baird! She's laughing at me, guys. Okay, so I'm going to erase this. I don't know.
Just do the work on the other side.
Okay,
We're
yeah.
going to go over to number 4 just to show you all the work.
Okay, 2/3 equals something over 12. 1/2 equals something over 12. 3/4 equals something over 12.
Remember, we're finding equivalent fractions now. We're changing them, but these are still equal.
They are still equal. All right, how many times does 3 go into 12?
3, 6, 9, 12.
4 times. So 2 times 4 is 8. How many times does 2 go into 12?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
Times 6. 1 times 6 is
6.
How many times does 4 go into 12?
4, 8, 12.
Times 3. So this would also be times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. All right, so we need to compare it from the smallest to the greatest. So now oh my gosh, this is so much work. I'm now going to rewrite them from the smallest fraction. This is my smallest.
So that's 1.
1/2. Smallest.
Remember to write the original fraction.
Not the new 6/12. Now, this is my next smallest, 2/3. And now 3/4 is my third smallest, or some might call it the biggest. Done.
There we go. All right, friends, moving on to number 5. Word problem time.
Word problem time.
One fish tank is 2,500 centimeters. The other fish tank measures 5,500 centimeters. How many meters long are both fish tanks together? All right, let's write down what we know because that's important. 2,500. And don't forget the last name, centimeters. Don't leave it naked. And 5,500 centimeters. Now, you'll notice that both of them have the same last name. They're both centimeters, which is great. That means that we don't have to convert them yet. We can solve first, then look to convert.
Oh my god, I taught my kids a little differently.
Well, maybe this is a new strategy.
Okay.
All right. So, it says how much are they both together. So that means we want both one fish tank and two fish tanks. We're going to add them. They're both going to still stay centimeter. Centimeter plus centimeter, centimeter. 0, 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. Regroup the 1. Bring down my comma. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8,000 centimeters. That's great, but that's not the same thing as meters. So, let's use our King Henry. King Henry died.
Okay, well, kids, if you like that better, then do it.
By drinking chocolate milk.
Because at this point.
Meter, liter, gram, bam. So let's look at where we're going from. So we're going from centimeters, which is the letter C, to meters. Now this is tricky. You notice there's 2 M's here, but remember, meter is under the base. It looks like we're starting at centimeters and going backwards jumps to meters. So ready? Go to the decimal in the back. 1, 2 jumps. So we're going to do 2 jumps to the left. So let's rewrite number 8,000. I recommend writing 8,000 without any commas so it doesn't confuse you. A comma is different than a decimal, my friends. All right. Decimal goes at the end. Let's do 2 jumps. 1, 2. This is where the new decimal goes. Now, you need everything in front of the decimal.
I can sense the frustration in your voice.
No names, no names. Now, we do not necessarily need the zeros behind the decimal, so we can eliminate them, but we do need this 0 right here. That makes this number 80. The answer is 80 meters.
Surprise! I'm doing number 8 instead of number 7, because number 8's harder, and I want you guys to be able to practice it correctly. Okay, Ms. Penn ordered 14 kilograms of squash and 9,000 grams of carrots. How many more grams of squash did she purchase than carrots?
Yes, that is trickier.
So, yeah, this other one is just a basic conversion. We're good. Okay, so we have kilograms, grams.
Boom, boom, boom.
But we're solving for grams. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to show you what my kids did.
Do it.
It might be more confusing.
That's okay.
We'll find out. All right. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Meter, liter, gram, bam. And I guess Miss Bear just writes the MLG, guys. So
I do.
I think that's fine. I'm just discovering all sorts of new things. Okay, so we have kilograms, and then we have grams. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to think, what is the problem asking us to solve? Well, we are solving for grams. So this is the column that I'm focusing on. All right, so I'm going to fill in the information that the problem gave me. I have 14 kilograms of squash, 14, and I have 9,000 grams of carrots, 9,000. Now, I know I need to convert 14 to grams, kilograms to grams, but I don't need to convert 9,000 grams to kilograms because I'm in the right column already. I'm good to go. So I'm going to convert 14 kilograms to grams. All right, so kilograms, it starts with K. Grams, right here at base. So let's count our jumps. 1, 2, 3. All right, so I'm going to rewrite the number 14.
To the right.
Okay, where does my decimal point go? Blam! It's not given to me, so it goes at the end of the number. Let's count our jumps. Which way were we going again? To the right. 1, 2, 3. Decimal point is now here. Fill everything else in with zeros. Miss Beard is tired of teaching this. All right, 14 and 3 zeros. Where does my comma go? Blam. Read this new number. 14 14,000. All right.
Are we done?
No.
Oh,
my.
man.
Ugh. Guys, we're not done.
Welcome to 4th grade, everyone.
We're not done. All right. So those of you who turn this in like this, you're not done. How many more grams of squash did she purchase in carrots? Are we combining the squash and carrots into a delicious soup? Or are we comparing to see who has more? Oh.
Ding, ding, ding.
So, comparing means to subtract.
Subtract.
Let's do it. Taking up all the room in the entire world. 14,000. Make sure that your bigger number is on top.
Yes, please.
Minus 9,000. Make sure you line up those numbers.
Amen.
Think of all the mistakes we've ever seen. All right. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, 4 minus 9.
Can't do it.
Borrow from this. This becomes.
0.
This becomes.
14.
14 minus 9. 5! And your comment stays the same. Your answer is 5,000. We lost Baird, guys. Yell it again.
Wait, you
Get it together.
you have a naked number, Miss Yao.
Oh my gosh, guys. How embarrassing.
What are we solving for?
Grams. Ugh. Okay.
You could always just put G.
You can put G. Put Miss Yao. Was so embarrassed she wrote grams.
Thanks, guys.
Oh no, your riddle answer little section got cut off, but that's okay. You can write it like here.
Anywhere you'd like.
Anywhere you'd like, honestly. Okay, get ready. I am a number. When you add the letter G to me, I go away. What number am I? 1! Because if you add the letter G, I become gone. I was going to say I get gone.
Ready? Here's
Here's
one.
1.
Add the G.
Ah!
That's tricky, Miss Yao.
I know.
All right, friends. Bye.